In this video, I will show you how a 3-room family apartment looks like in Finland. Now I will give you a tour of this apartment where you will see 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 toilet and a kitchen. Let's go and check out this apartment, how it looks like. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's go guys. Basically, this is a house of a Bangladeshi brother. Don't want to mention his name here. Here you can see shoe racks. On the right hand side, a big bedroom, a bed for the child, very nicely arranged. You can see also nature through the window. Let's go to the living room. Children are playing here, and a sofa, a television, and we can also go outside to see the beautiful balcony. You can see this balcony is beautiful and arranged nicely. There are flowers you can see in the balcony, and you can also see beautiful nature outside from this balcony. This is a very beautiful house, nicely arranged. Everything is nice in this home. Let's go to another room. This is another bedroom. You can also use it as a home office or maybe a ground for the children. This is another storeroom. You can store additional stuff in this room. I don't have this in my home. Let's go to the toilet. So you will see a washing machine and basin. Pretty basic and very beautiful toilet. Now you will see kitchen in this house, and this is a deep freezer, a food table, and you can also see outside through the window the nature of the outside. Nicely arranged. Everything looks pretty beautiful in this kitchen. You will see cooking is going on, and there are some stuff on the cooking table. You can also see a microwave where you can warm your foods. Everything is nice and beautiful in this house. This house is not in the Helsinki city. This house is in the Uusikaupunki city. And the rent of this house is 600 euros. You also need to pay electricity bill with this 600 euros. And of course there might be other costs like Wi-Fi bill and some other cost. In Finland, 3 rooms apartment is like this. So basically there are 2 bedroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen and a toilet. Even if it is a big house, it has only 1 toilet. Maybe it is costly to renovate the house. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you to my new video. Take care and bye bye.